Hey everyone, welcome to Net Nimble. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete or remove a friend from your TikTok followers list. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok application on your phone. You'll be taken to the TikTok homepage. Now, tap on Profile at the bottom right corner to access your TikTok profile page. Once you're on your profile, tap on your Followers section to view everyone who follows you. Find the person you want to remove. Tap the three dots beside their name to open the Options menu. From the menu, select Remove this follower. This is how you delete friends on TikTok. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap Remove to confirm. And that's it. You've successfully removed them from your TikTok followers list. They won't be able to see your private content or interact with your posts anymore. Keep in mind, they can follow you again if your account is public, but for now, they're removed from your followers. And that's how you delete or remove a friend on TikTok. If this tutorial helped, like and subscribe to Net Nimble for more TikTok tips and social media tutorials. Thanks for watching.